Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Fia and today I'll be doing a tutorial on this makeup look right here. This is going to be the first look on my Valentine's Day makeup series, so if you enjoy this one, please check the other ones out. It would mean the world to me. And yeah, this is it. I'm not going to make this intro any longer, so without further ado, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and let's begin. So we're going to start by applying a base for the eyeshadow. Here I'm just using a concealer and blending it out. After that, we're going to start packing a red color onto the sticky base with a more densely packed blending brush, so we can get the best color payoff. Dab the eyeshadow and then start slowly blending. Keep repeating this step so you can build up the color and get that intensity on point. Once you have the red color looking fine as hell, start blending the crease with a fluffier brush using a pink shadow. Then, to give the look more dimension, grab a smaller pencil brush and start slowly adding a black shadow. Be careful to not overdo it, because we're not going for the raccoon look today. Now it's time to cut that crease using some concealer and a tiny brush so you can have more control over where the product goes. Don't worry too much with trying to make it look perfect on the outer corner, since we're going to clean it with a cotton pad and some makeup remover later. To finish this part, we're now going to add a gold shimmer onto the lid. So we now arrive to everyone's favorite part, drawing the wing and attempting to make it look even on both sides. For the eyeliner, I'm using a pink shade, but if you have a red one, it would work even better. If you only have a black eyeliner, you can still make it work. It will just be a bit harder to cover the color with the red glitter we're going to add afterwards. With that being said, to make the glitter stick, I'm just applying some glitter primer first, and then adding small glitter quantities and trying not to make a huge mess on my face. Moving on to the face, I forgot to record myself applying primer and some concealer, but here you can just see the beautiful face I make when I attempt to blend my concealer. After that, I just applied some translucent powder to make sure everything stays in place and started to contour. To sharpen the contour, I added some more powder, and while that bakes, we're going to finish the eyes by adding a red shadow on your bottom lid, smoking that out, and then adding a bit of the black again to the outer corner to deepen the look. We're now going to dust off all the leftover powder, add a bit of bronzer to look less like a pale ghost, and a bit of blush because it looks cute. Let's also not forget one of the most important steps, highlighter. I'm adding it to the top of my cheeks and then using my beauty blender to blend it with the rest and make it look more natural. I'm also going to highlight my brow bone and the inner corner of my eye. Then we're back with the eyes, since I decided I wanted to add some shimmery beige-ish liner to the cut crease to make it look even more glam. And now it's mascara time. Enjoy the weird face I make while applying it, and know that you can completely leave it with just mascara, although I'll be adding some individual false lashes in the next clip. And that was it, guys. I then just added some lipstick and ta-da! Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you for the next video. Bye!